See the roof? It come up like this. See right here? All the wing take it up like this. So right now I need to put the clue right here, put together. Look, I done a couple right here already. Here done. See that guy? Look right here. Couple out. I done a lot right here. Over here, everything come off. So I just pack it up right now. Look at that. See right there. Right there, El Tadina right there. That's how the roof come out. Right here, look. I pack together. Right here, packing. The wind go this side. This side, the wind go this way. So why this side here? Oh, see, oh, this one new. I just clean it up. I just pack together right here. This side right here. Look right here, stuck right here. Look. See? It means this one come off right here. All the way in there. See, I pack everything right there. Later on, touch up right here too. This side, no. That side right there, all come up. Right here. This one right here, I have one piece, two piece. This mixing couple right here, so put back. I pack this one right here. Look at this. See, do like this. Okay, look at this. Pack like this. Okay, see it? Packing like this. And use it this one right here. You don't need to, but when you this one, it lasts longer. Okay, lasts too longer. This is my invention. I think this one, when you have this, it lasts longer, guys. Okay. Put right here, some. Put this down here. See, when this one collapse, it fly away. But when you put this sucker in, it lasts longer. See, this is really strong. Never come off. See, I put right here. It looks like a hing. Using the fabric for a hing. I think 10 years ago I do one. It stayed there, not moving. Look right here. See. Look good. See. That's the way it is. I got two right here. Two right here need to do it. Look at this. Look right here. The weather is so good today. Look at it. See, like this. It lasts longer, so we're lucky. Lucky than somebody else. Right here. And then you the roll right here. That's my invention right there, guy. I cut right here. You can see what I'm doing. Look at it. The ants still fly around. Look right here, look at it. See? The wing, whoa, the wing start pick up right now. More wing or no? It look like it. See a peck? Up. I see that, but that's a little wind right now. I don't know. Start to wind again. Looking quiet right now. That's how here right there the roof come all the way up. We still lucky, that's all. It's about 80 miles an hour wind, guy. Crazy. All right, that's it. See you guys later. All right, look at this guy. See? You got this one only 45 bucks from Home Depot, okay? $45 only. And look at that. If I pack like this, look at here. This one I roll over. It lasts longer, guy. Look at this. See? The wing lift it up and running like this. It come up like this. And then it's mixing couple P right here. But I use this one right here. I roll over. Come on, this lasts longer, guy. Perfect. See? Right here, one right here. Need to pick. See, this one right here, it come off. Come right here. So I put this and the tape between this. It lasts forever, right? This is only 45 bucks. I think I done, take me 3 hours. See, the wing, the tree knocked down. It's not clean yet. I had no time to clean. But right here, look at this one. I think later on I gotta put one more tape on top. Let it, because this side right here, a lot of wind this side. That's the problem. The mountain right there, the wind from there blow this side. See, this side it move like this, and this way, this side more come up more. Look at this. My nose roof is okay. That right there, it burned right there, El Tadina right there. Okay, it burned. It clear the clear sky right now, but the ash still come down. See, look, packing, doing good, guy, packing good. If I had time to put some tape right here. All right, see you guys later. Need to finish this right now. This is from Home Depot, doing good. All right, bye.